Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be doing a product review on the Philips Norelco multi-groomer. This is a little rechargeable unit, wireless, so let's get right into it. This is the groomer with all the parts that comes with it. So the groomer is here. You have all the attachments. You've got beard groomers, beard attachments, and some hair attachments right here. You also have the precision attachments, which you can snap on and off, and I'll show you how to do that. You have a nose and ear attachment. This is the little bag that you can store it in. This is the charger that you can charge it with. Like I said, it is wireless. It takes about 8 hours to charge up and gives you about 60 minutes of use on it. So I took it out of the box and I turned it on. It actually works, but one thing you will notice, there is no light that comes on, whether that you need to charge it or, you know, if it's low on battery, or even if you are charging it, there is nothing that shows that it is being charged. So I'll turn it on, take a look. So there's no real obvious click up and down type button, but you can hear it running and it sounds pretty strong. I'm going to go ahead and do my facial hair, which I have about like 5 days worth right here. But first, let's take a look at how these little attachments work. Okay, so right now we're going to try to change attachments from the standard attachment to the precision. I'll show you how to do that. It's really easy, just snap on and off. I'm going to take the wider side, the side away from me, and pull. I'm going to pull here and hold this side down, and it just snaps right off. And you just put the lower side in first and then snap that in. And there you go. You've got your precision attachment, works that way. And same thing for the ear, nose, and hair type trimmer right here. Now I'm going to show you how this thing charges up. We're going to take this little charger right here, and all you got to do is just plug it to the bottom of this. There you go. And I'll just plug it right in. Yeah, you can't tell it's being charged at all. So you're gonna have to keep it charged for a minimum of 15 minutes to get a 5 minutes of use. So let's see how this thing works. Okay, so I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to shave right here just to see how well it does the job. This is 5 days of facial hair growth. So not bad, no pain. I like how it did the job really well, really smooth. I didn't use any attachments, as you noticed. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up here, but for the price, I think it's a great little unit.